It's time for our K5 board work. We're going to start today with sight words. Boys and girls, we have a new sight word today. This sight word is was. Was. You can't sound this out. You could try. You could say as, but that's not really the word, is it? You have to remember sight words. This sight word is was, as in I was going to the store. Was. All right, what is the sight word, boys and girls? Was. Was. All right, let's go over the ones that we know. What is this one? A, and, the, you, of, I, says, to, do. What's the new one? Was. What is this one, boys and girls? Was. Now I'm going to put it in the stack. Okay, you ready? Now you tell me the sight words. A, and, was, the, you, of, I, was, says, to, do, again, a, and, was, the, you, was, of, I, says, was, to, do, was. Very good, boys and girls. We will practice that one more in the days to come. Now we are going to go over the special sounds that we already know. We'll start with our yellow cards. Are you ready? K in duck, C, K. E in me, E. O in go, O. I in fly, Y. A in pray, A, Y. St in stop, S, T. Pull in plane, P, L. Fur in frog, F, R. Tur in train, T, R. Sh in ship, S, H. Th in thick, T, H. The in this, T, H. Bull in block, B, L. Cool in clock, C, L. Full in flake, F, L. Gull in glue, G, L. Now our blue cards. Burr and bride, B, R. Dur and drum, D, R. Purr and pray, P, R. Gur and grin, G, R. Sm and smoke, S, M. Sk and scat, S, C. Sk and skate, S, K. Sp and spade, S, P. Cur and crab, C, R. in twins, TW. Spull and splash, SPL. Spur and sprain, SPR. Skir and scream, SCR. Squa and squeak, SQU. Snuh and snack, SN. Sl and sleep, SL. Stir and stream, STR. Swa and swim, SW. Now, boys and girls, we started our orange cards, and some of those were tricky. Do you remember? Let's try going through it and see if you remember from yesterday. You ready? Thir and three, THR. Thir and three, THR. R and stars, AR. Ch in church, CH. Or in morning, OR. Now these are the tricky ones. Ow in out, OU. Again. Ow in out, OU. Ow in owl, OW. Ow in owl, OW. O in bowl, OW. Again. O in bowl, OW. Now let's go through them again. Thir and three, THR. Thir and three, THR. R in stars, AR. Ch in church, CH. Or in morning, OR. Ow in out, OU. Ow in owl, OW. O in bowl, OW. Again. Thir and three, THR. Thir and three, THR. R in stars, AR. Ch in church, CH. Or in morning, OR. Ow in out, OU. Ow in owl, OW. All right, boys and girls. Oh, we got one. O in bowl, OW. Now, boys and girls, I have got flashcards for each one of those. So, we are going to do the letter card. We're going to do the card, then we'll do the flashcard. All right? Thir and three, THR. Now, boys and girls, I want you to read this word. Throat. 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 R in stars, AR. Okay. Hard. R, H, R, D. Hard. Ch in church, CH. Chin, ch in, chin. Or in morning, OR. Worth. How much is that penny worth? Worth. 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 Ow and out. O-U. Sound. 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 Owl and owl. O-W. Frown. 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 O in bowl. O-W. Snow. 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 All right, guys, I hope you did okay with that. I know that those ones with the O's and the U's and the O's and W's, they are very tricky, but I know you guys are going to get it, and we'll keep practicing till you do. All right, boys and girls, we're going to move on to our numbers now. And we're going to start by counting by twos. Let me get my chart, and we will use that to help us. Remember, counting by twos is also called skip counting because we skip every other number. Okay, so we start at 2, we skip 3 and go to 4, we skip 5 and go to 6, skip 6 and go to 8, skip 9 and go to 10. Okay, remember the pattern? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right, let's do it together. See how you do. Ready? Let me get this just right so you can see it all. There you go. All right, ready? Start with 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. How did you do with that, boys and girls? Are you starting to get the idea? Are you? All right, good. Let's do it one more time together. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. All right, guys, good job. Now, do you remember we did our 5 little bumblebees? All right, I got them right here. Let's see if you remember. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Get them in my hands so you can see them. All right, 5 little bumblebees buzzing through the air. One flew off, and then there were 4. 4 little bumblebees buzzing through the air. One flew off, and then there were 3. 3 little bumblebees buzzing through the air. One flew off, and then there were 2. 2 little bumblebees buzzing through the air. One flew off, and then there were 1. 1 little bumblebee buzzing through the air. The 1 flew off, and then there were 0, none. All right, let's do that one more time. Ready? 5 little bumblebees buzzing through the air. 1 flew off, and then there were 4. 4 little bumblebees buzzing through the air. 1 flew off, and then there were 3. 3 little bumblebees buzzing through the air. 1 flew off, and then there were 2. 2 little bumblebees buzzing through the air. 1 flew off, and then there was 1. 1 little bumblebee buzzing through the air. The 1 flew off, and then there were 0. Very good, boys and girls. Now, we are going to do a little work on the board, boys and girls. So let me stand up and move my stool out of the way so you can see. All right, now the first thing we're going to work with is this little red box here, the pink box. Now, boys and girls, today we are learning about subtracting. Have you ever heard that word before? Subtracting? It's also called subtraction. All right, and that's where we take something away. All right. Now, I've got some problems in here, some combinations. Now, I want you to notice this little sign right here. Okay. Now, we know that this one means plus, don't we? And this one means equal. Well, this one means minus. That means subtracting or taking away. All right, so minus. Can you say that word? Minus. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to explain the way that adding and subtracting work using this little chart that I made here. Now, first of all, look at this heart. Okay, that's where we're going to start. Now, boys and girls, we've been doing things like this for a while now, adding. Now, if we have 0 hearts plus 1 heart, how many hearts do we have all together? 1, right? So that tells us that 0 plus 1 equals 1. And that's adding. But boys and girls, look over here. We're going to subtract. Boys and girls, if we have 1 heart and we take away 1 heart, how many do we have after that? 0 hearts. All right, so if we have 1 heart minus 1 heart, it equals 0. All right, that's like the bumblebee, boys and girls, the bumblebees. If we have 1 bumblebee and we take away 1 bumblebee, how many do we have left? 0. Okay, it's the same exact idea. All right, boys and girls, let's look at this one now. If we have 1 blue square plus 1 blue square, how many do we have all together? So 1 plus 1 equals how many altogether? 2. We've been doing combinations like this for a long time now. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. But boys and girls, now we're going to subtract. All right, if we have 2 blue squares, 1, 2, and we take away 1, How many do we have left? 1. All right, boys and girls, so 2 minus 1 equals 1. I want you to say that with me. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Let's do it with the bumblebees. If we have 2 bumblebees and we take away 1, how many do we have left? 1. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. Now, boys and girls, let's do the circles, the orange circles. All right, if we have 2 orange circles, 1, 2, plus 1 orange circle, how many do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, right? 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Say that with me. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Very good, boys and girls. Now, if we have 3 orange circles and we take away 1, how many do we have left? 1, 2. We have 2 left. So, boys and girls, 3 minus 1 equals 2. Please say that with me. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Now let's do it with the bumblebees. All right. If we have 3 bumblebees and we take away 1, how many do we have left? 2. Very good, boys and girls. So 3 minus 1 equals 2. Very good, boys and girls. Now we will be doing that more as our days go by, but that's all we're going to do with that today. Now, boys and girls, we have one other new thing to learn, and that is between numbers. Okay? The number that comes between 2 numbers. Now, boys and girls, if I had the number 1, the number 2, and the number 3, that's just like counting, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. Boys and girls, what number is between the 1 and the 3? What number's in the middle? The 2. That is the between number, boys and girls. All right, it's the number that comes in between. All right, now numbers come in a certain order. We know that because we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that's the way they go. So boys and girls, the between number is the number that's between 2 numbers, that's in the middle of 2 numbers. Now I've got 2 here for you to try. All right, look at this one right here, boys and girls. What is this number? 4. What is this number? 6. What number comes between 4 and 6? When you count, what number comes between them? 5. Just like when we count, boys and girls. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 is the between number. Now let's do this one. Boys and girls, what is this number? 15. What is this number? 17. Boys and girls, what number comes between 15 and 17 when we count? 16. Boys and girls, when we count, if we counted, we would say 14, 15, 16, 17. 16 comes between 15 and 17. All right, so that is something new for us, and I think you're going to find it pretty easy to do. All right, boys and girls, that is all that we have today. I hope you have a great day.